Hi everyone, hope all of you doing fine. Ella Malayaligalku and Namaskaram. As you all know, the current trend in Kerala at the moment is the Fuljar, and a lot of people have been trying the Fuljar. So kore aalkar Fuljar cheyanda video okke njan kandu. Cheladu flop aayirunnu, cheladu anganeyokke padippichu vannu. ഇനി ഇപ്പം ഞാനും ഇന്ന് അത് ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാണ്. അത് ഫുൾ ജാർ ആവോ ഫ്ലോപ്പ് ജാർ ആവോ എന്ന് നമുക്ക് കണ്ടറിയാം. So today I'm actually going to try doing the full jar at home. So this is in Australia, not in Kerala. So we'll have to wait and see if it's full jar or if it's going to be a flop jar. So stay tuned, watch and enjoy, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lovely videos and recipes. Take care, bye. This is going to be a full jar video. The latest trend in Kerala right now is the full jar. So full jar is where you have a glass with a clear carbohydrated liquid like soda or lemonade, and then you put a shot glass with strong cordial into it. You drop it in and this clear liquid foams and comes up. അതിങ്ങനെ പതപ്പിച്ച് മുകളിൽ വരുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും ഈ കോർഡിയലിൻ്റെ ഷോർട്ട് ഗ്ലാസ്സിൽ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്ന കോർഡിയലിൻ്റെ ദാറ്റ് ഫ്ലേവർ ഓഫ് ദ കോർഡിയൽ ഇൻ ദ ഷോർട്ട് ഗ്ലാസ് വിൽ സ്ലോലി come into that clear carbohydrated liquid, and as you drink it നമ്മൾ താഴെ ഏറ്റവും ബോട്ടം when we reach the ബോട്ടമിൽ എത്തുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും ആ കോർഡിയലിൻ്റെ നല്ല സ്ട്രോങ് കോർഡിയലിൻ്റെ ആ ഫ്ലേവേഴ്സ് നമുക്ക് കുടിക്കാനും പറ്റും. So once you reach the bottom, that strong flavor of the cordial, you can drink it. I make this video with two types of Fuljar. One is a non-alcoholic version, and I'm going to be a little bit, taking it one step ahead because that's what I like to do, and do an alcoholic version of the Fuljar. Let's see how many of you goes for that. So just going to add in some vodka. That's it. Even you can try beer, but going to try the Fuljar cocktail. So that's what I'm going to call it, because obviously I haven't seen any alcoholic version of the Fuljar. Appo njan iduvare alcoholic version Fuljar inde kandittilla. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാനതിനെ ഫുൾ ജാർ കോക്ടെയിൽ എന്നാണ് വിളിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് വാച്ച്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ട്രൈ couldn't take how we made the mixture. So it's got lemon juice, 1 lemon juice, and there's green chili, 1 green chili, and this is some grape Fanta put on top just to give it the color, because the color ended up being a bit crappy. So we're going to take this. Oh, take it and place it off into our glass. And is it going to be a full jar? It's not even rising. Alright everyone, first attempt, flop jar. As you can see, it's starting to rise, but it's a flop jar. You know it when you see it. Flop jar. Alright, we'll be back with attempt number 2, trial number 2. Where there's a will, there should be a way, right? Attempt number 2, so it's some grapes and ginger. So hoping that the acid in the grapes will help it to rise up a bit more. And also another thing is for the first attempt, the carbohydrated drink that was used, which is a lemonade, was actually lying in the fridge. So it was not fresh brand new lemonade. So all the gas must have reduced a bit, Second attempt using brand new lemonade that's completely sealed, got from the shop, along with these ingredients, lemon, and mint is another option, but not using mint this time. So hopefully it works out and the video will be complete. Some Kerala green chilies. It's extremely spicy. I'm just confused whether I should take 1 or 1.5. So I've got one big one and like a little sized one. So I'm still thinking, should I just take 1? Should I just take 1? Is it going to be too spicy because I have to drink it? But yeah, this is it. And this is the freshly squeezed juice of half a lemon. About 5 grapes cut up into half. So they are not seedless grapes, so I have to take the seeds out. I'm going to place off everything into a blender. So the ginger, grapes, green chili, lemon juice, and then going to add in sugar. That's up to your personal preference. Green chilies have gone in. Time for the lemon juice. Taking shape, forgot to add in sugar, so just going to add that in. So smoky. The chili spice is just entering my nose and it made me cough the first time I took the lid of the blender and gave a sniff. Whew, it's too spicy. Should have just gone with 1 chili, but anyway, so going to blend this up once again. Also you can see for trial 2, very nicely sealed bottle of lemonade, so it's not opened. So you can see it's nice and ready. So next we got to strain it because we don't want the grape skin or anything. We want a nice, clear, clean mixture. Just straining it into this cup, you can see the clear mixture. The cordial for the Fuljar is ready, and then we place it off into a shot glass and put it in a bigger glass full of clear lemonade. This is not a proper shot glass, it's just a plastic, normal plastic cups that you get, plastic glasses. So just cut it up into a smaller size. This is a sweet and spicy Fuljar that is being made. There it is, everyone. A 1 plate serving of Fuljar, lemonade and a lovely sweet and spicy cordial. So got to do it quickly before the carbohydrated gas, weakens. Alright everyone, so just taking it and tipping it in. Oh. Attempt number 2, complete flop. Actually everyone, I just pushed it in and then it just, oh, you missed it everyone, you missed it. So the reason why this Fuljar is becoming a flop jar is mainly because of the shot glass. I'm not using the nice solid heavy glass shot glass. I just cut the normal plastic cups and then into a size of a shot glass and put it. So obviously the plastic is very light. It's not enough to sink down to the bottom of the glass and make the cordial mix in with the carbohydrated drink and rise up. So that's the problem that's happening. So definitely don't do it with always do it with a thicker shot glass. As you saw, attempt number 2, when you push this in nicely, it actually rises up, but then was a bit late in recording the video. So I'm going to call this attempt number 2.5 because took this back out of the glass. It didn't fully come out and blend in with the lemonade, if you know what I mean. So took it out of the glass again. You can make another cordial mixture if you want. Push it in nicely, so it rises up. So maybe attempt number 2.5 might not be a failure. Attempt number 2.5. This needs some manhandling. Push. Go down. There we go. Fuljar. Woohoo! 2.5 is so good. Oh wow, spicy. Oh, the chili is giving it a good kick, but super everyone. Attempt number 2.5. Didn't need 3. But once you fail once, you have to go 3 times. So we can technically call it attempt number 3. But here it is everyone, Fuljar. And here it is everyone, the lovely Fuljar. You should actually drink it while it's overflowing, but I'll do it the elegant way, being a lady. So, oh, the smokiness of the chili goes into your nose, so don't smell it, but close your nose and drink it. But super. And you need to see if anybody is brave enough to reach till the end, because once you reach the end, that's when the actual cordial, you have to drink that. So once you reach the end, I don't have the guts. I'm not a fire-breathing dragon, so but you got to drink it all the way till the end. I'm not game enough, but you get the point. But it's a good kind of a burning spicy, Wow, but that cordial bit, it is spicy. My lips and everything is starting to tingly, burning. But it's good. I like it. It's a good experience. There we go, everyone. Fuljar spicy. Now I'm going to drink some water. Here I had the first trial which was flop, the second trial which was also flop, the 2.5 trial which went fine, and then this is the official 3rd trial, so turning the Fuljar into alcoholic version. So the alcoholic version ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു Fuljar ആണ്. നേരത്തെ ഇൻട്രോയിൽ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ ഇതിൽ നമ്മൾ വോഡ്ക്കയാണ് ചേർക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഹാഫ് ജിഞ്ചർ 2 ഗ്രീൻ ചില്ലീസ് ആണ് ഇപ്പോൾ എടുക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഡബിൾ ടൈം. മുമ്പ് 1.5 ആയിരുന്നു, ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു പടി മുകളിലായി. 8 grapes and sugar, and the same way with the lemon juice, so half lemon juice. Actually fridge il tappiyappo lemon illa orange ullo, so when we looked in the fridge there is no lemon, only orange. So instead of lemon juice going to use half orange juice. Improvising guys, improvising. Everything is ready in the blender. So ellam blender il ready aayirikkanu. Appo ginger undu, chilli, half of orange juice, grapes, and now for our secret ingredient, vodka. Vodka, one shot glass. Or depends on how much you want it, how strong you want it. So I'm just going to put about 1 shot glass worth of vodka. About a shot in all into the blender. Vodka, so we're putting the vodka in there. Aha, very good. Ini namakku idu blend cheyam. So we're going to blend this now. The alcoholic cocktail ayadondu nalla fancy glasses eduthu. So being an alcoholic cocktail, I've taken nice lovely fancy glasses. So here everything is ready. The lemonade and the cordial syrup that we made, the alcoholic shots. Now one thing to keep in mind about this drink, oru karyam nammal manasil vekkandadenu vechal, the cordial should not be very watery. It should be a thick consistency. So nalla pasty, like a paste, thick paste. Appo nalla thick aayittulla paste consistency la irikkanam ee cordial. So when you add like lemon juice or orange juice, don't add too much, because then that water, when you add it into the carbohydrated drink, under carbohydration, the gas of the carbohydrated drink will go and it will not rise up. So that's one of the mistakes you can make. So that's how my first attempt became a flop, because there's no carbohydrate, there's no gas in the carbohydrated drink. Okay, carbohydrated drink gas, nalla gas illengi, it's not going to rise up. So if you add lot of liquid content into that also, the gas will reduce and it's not going to work out. Other very important tip aanu. So if you go wrong there, the whole drink is going to go wrong and it's going to be flop. So keep that in mind. I just moved the other glass out of the way so I can demonstrate properly. So there's more space. So just for demonstration purposes, just using this one glass for now. The thing I got to say is you got to use good quality lemonades. It's got to be nice and gassy, otherwise it's not going to rise up and it's going to be flop. So I've used cheap lemonade before for the non-alcoholic version. For the alcoholic version, good to use a good quality lemonade like Sprite or not Mountain Dew, but something clear, Kirk's. So good quality lemonade. So let's do this. Gonna take it, a lovely alcoholic Fuljar. Fill up. That I've learned is that from this experiment, that a wide brim cup won't work for this, because see, it's wide, so it just disperses, the liquid disperses like that rather than actually flowing out of the cup. So you actually need a cup that's narrow on top or the same width as the bottom, otherwise it's just going to disperse. It's not going to turn out into a full jar. So this is a flop jar obviously. So we got to do it again with the next glass. So I had 2 glasses, remember, so I'm going to transfer the just going to chuck out the lemonade from the other glass and actually use a proper glass this time. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll be back with another glass. So see, these are the tips and the things that can go wrong for the Fuljar when you're making it. So as I'm doing this and I'm learning with all the floppies, all the flop jars, I'm learning how to do the Fuljar. So let's try it with like a proper glass, a narrow glass that's not so wide on top. Taking a new glass, it's not wide on top. And another thing I think is lemon juice is very important for it. So even adding orange juice without lemon is not going to work out, because it needs the acid to actually rise up. So first thing, I'm going to add in a little bit of lemon juice as well into our syrup. Added it into a narrower glass. Never add water into the syrup. So just add lemon juice if you want it to be more liquidy. Never add water or it will not rise up to a full jar. It will become a flop jar. So just taking it, chucking it in there. And there it is, everyone. Our Fuljar is rising up and is flowing outward. So you can see it's nice and lovely. You can see it gassing up in there, nicely overflowing. Look at it, a lovely alcoholic Fuljar, everyone. Alright, cheers everyone. So it's got the kick and everything. So another hint is, don't try to add grapes and other fruits. If you just keep it simple with lemon, don't add water, definitely not. So these are the tips. Use a narrow glass, straight glass. Don't use glass with a wide top. So those things will help it actually frizzle up. or maybe try with just the lemon juice and see, you know, with a wide top glass it might work out. Obviously it didn't work out for me, so this is my trial at the Fuljar and the flop jars. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lovely videos and recipes. Apart from that, take care, enjoy, bye.